enche na Stone Boy e de eye EPB ba abonte abusua wato ne din the torture EP.
The torture.
Na Stone Boy ne fan ba ko abusua wa tweet something on the Twitter page awabisia wasi Stone Boy mo no ho body se de be ya EP no de abusua e be ye de EP no bitima promote na EP na du ba bi e wo se eduru na Stone Boy e de message a wato to ne ma be tintin e wo ye X no so abusua e de ama eye abaye na afi so African Yaadie African Yaadie
Bim Nation, Awagwan, Iwela governor cho, well decided one Ghanaian Jamaican, African Yaadie.
Oye abusia danso Ghanaian mana ono no just to feel Jamaica na to the sense Jamaica no I did mu ene ono so message ede ma Stone Boy.
I represent for the Bim Nation president Stone Boy. Bim Nation.
Na mamedi kan fan ko Stone Boy ne reply o de ma ni female fan was say dear Akosia, it takes a lot of money to invest in music marketing. Unfortunately, our royalty system in Ghana, where our products are largely consumed, don't pay back, damning investors' confidence. This makes it tough to raise the type of funds needed to compete on a global scale, but we are dedicated to doing our very best coupled with your unflinching support. And Stone Boy say, ni pini de ababo no homba de so bitima promote ni mum obaga na ha ba bia ye twige Ghana nwom pam panifo mo da no royalty system asenka wosenka ebia nka enwom a wobo na nka wose mfaso wose wodi difiri ho no sika na emma said ye wose eba no nti omunye sika mfa invest e we ye adwuma na mo ye no but omo mu asi wose ade adwuma na mo ye ne de said the lewin say we invest in the movie industry, even though say maybe he's not getting it back, but because of the passion and dedication, they do the job for the love for the country and for the job too. So that's it. And a Stone Boy edit message at the comma dear Akuya say Akuya yede ye tu once was said money by and see be dia ye be your money ye and a Stone Boy edit comma Akuya ya or just say Akuya no Stone Boy any fan kesiye pa na the torture EP is coming next month September. Now Ghanaian young man abusuya ono also feel Jamaica na which say Jamaica is one of the African countries akupie baby bonny but I wasn't Ghana ha. Also only you feel Jamaica basa. Now the biggest dancehall artist in the entire world ningina na Stone Boy abusuya while releasing video what they promote Stone Boy and torture EP no say there be Ghana for me nkasa bi nyam ko ti African Yaadie ni nsem odima Stone Boy.
Bim Nation, Awagwan, Iwela governor cho, well decided one Ghanaian Jamaican, African Yaadie. I represent for the Bim Nation president Stone Boy. Bim Nation, I only come board today. I want to forward, come sit down with me on the dining table because we soon feast. Me know say a long time we out here hungry and now no food for eat. But today, me I bring on a good news. So I want to know what money hears good and listen what me have to tell you and say. The biggest, baddest, maddest and wickedest Afro dancehall chef Stone Boy. They in the kitchen for a good while now. I cook up some delicious and sumptuous food for we. And that's why me there I call out the whole like Bim natives them all over the world, Donga Yard and Upper Broad to come join me up on the dining table. Because Stone Boy son serve out the food give we. I mean, want none I want to get left out. And now one me couldn't know say this your food here and them bomber clad taste bad food they were Stone Boy cook give away. But the food here is a special one. It tastes different. To how the food is sweet, all sugar the bad money. So now if you know say this and then the normal food, the one God a cook you away. I want to show in a pre say when you eat up the food that you see. Bim Nation and you can never ever hungry in the life you again. Not a single day. Cause the food here coming like the bread of life where Jesus Christ they talk about in the Bible. So when time you eat it, you not go hungry again. And know the pagan them on the other side over there so when you love God and a spiritual like Bim Nation, goodly I wonder what kind of food me they are talk about. Says Stone Boy the cook. So me I gonna make them know how really are going over the side here. The pagan them on the other side. I want me to know say it's too late for no left out of the darkness and forward in the light. Cause Bim Nation and the light and we no discriminate. We welcome every lover and hater. So nobody feel like say I try to live in the darkness. Bim Nation would want nothing for the way they know. Only welcome man. Come join me now. Next month September, the king, pioneer, originator of Afro dancehall Stone Boy I drop a EP when them torture. The EP I come for torture the pagan them, so till them repent from them sins and turn in a believer. Bim Nation, and ready for the EP I do. When I don't know the one God do it already. Be a badness and madness. 8 on top of 8, so they know you go. Bim Nation, I want to remember say, from before the torture EP the job, the African Yaadie did come telling us say the EP I got sicker than the hospital and madder than the asylum. But don't talk.
African Yaadie and I attend in Kanabusia. This young man abusia or TikTok nini all the social media platforms now about African Yaadie abun so baba. Most were a couple of videos said the Stone Boy. It mess was a watch video ya tag Stone Boy mommy. Na fi share said be a Stone Boy akuma. In himself, we have a lot of people because they are doing it for, but African Yaadie, he has been doing it, holding it down for Stone Boy abusia loyalty. Aye, so tag this video. This is about Stone Boy. This news concern about Stone Boy, and we need to tag him because it's a very good news. I mean, not all our musicians will get time and address their fans like this one by one by one. But to see say an A-list artist, that be breezy, a reply in a fan. That makes sense and it is really good. So that's why I say it make the 10 very attractive. We be thinking because okay, in a Bim Nation they more there. And because the boss and I said to me that reply messages say one say yeah, it is so much amazing. And Stone Boy, congratulations for the upcoming EP. And say EP it will do wonders. We are waiting. Next month September it is coming. And African Yaadie, so we shouldn't be able to follow because the guy has been promoting Stone Boy. So they were Stone Boy in the Jumedia Woodin was in Stone Boy, they were feeling rough and the originator of Afro dancehall to Stone Boy is the biggest dancehall artist we are singing at High Karma Studios. Leave your comment under the comment section and I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. Make sure to subscribe to the platform on YouTube and put out some post notification. Me so that be updated on Sabit Maka. We out.